In this video, I'll show you how to watch Canadian TV in the USA, so you can enjoy your favorite Canadian shows and channels while living or traveling in America. If you try to access Canadian TV from the United States, you'll notice that many channels and shows are blocked or unavailable. This happens because Canadian networks restrict their streaming services to viewers within Canada. Even with a valid subscription, the platform checks your location using your IP address and limits what you can watch from outside the country. There's no built-in option to change your country on these platforms, and simply signing in from the US won't unlock the content. The easiest and completely legal way to watch Canadian TV in the USA is by using a VPN. A VPN lets you appear as if you're browsing from Canada, unlocking region-restricted content while still using official streaming services. The VPN I recommend for this is NordVPN because it's fast, reliable, and works on Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, and even smart TVs. You'll find the NordVPN link in the description. Disclaimer: using a VPN to watch Canadian TV is legal, but you must have a valid subscription to the streaming platform. This method does not involve piracy or illegal access, and you are responsible for following the terms of service of each streaming platform. Now let me walk you through the process on a PC. Go to the official NordVPN website using the link in the description. Download the NordVPN app for your computer, install it, and then open the app. Log into your NordVPN account. Once logged in, you'll see a map and a list of countries. Select Canada from the list and click to connect. Wait a few seconds until NordVPN confirms you're fully connected to a Canadian server. After connecting, open a new browser tab and go to the Canadian TV streaming platform you want to watch, such as CTV, CBC, Global TV, or any other service. If the site was already open before connecting to the VPN, refresh the page or close and reopen your browser to apply the new location. Now log in with your account. You should see the full Canadian content library, including shows, live channels, and on-demand programs that were previously unavailable in the USA. Click on any show or channel to start streaming. If a video doesn't load or you see an error, go back to NordVPN, disconnect, and reconnect to a different server in Canada. Then refresh the streaming platform and try again. This usually fixes the issue instantly. Keep NordVPN connected while watching for the best experience. NordVPN offers high-speed servers optimized for streaming, so you can watch Canadian TV in HD without buffering. NordVPN also keeps your connection private and secure. It hides your real IP address, encrypts your data, and includes features like threat protection and a kill switch to block trackers, ads, and unsafe websites while streaming. So that's exactly how you can watch Canadian TV in the USA. Connect to Canada using NordVPN, open the streaming platform, and enjoy unlimited Canadian content from anywhere. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN and start watching Canadian TV in America today.